If you're looking for a cozy warmth in winter and cooler refreshment in summer, then take a look at Alex now. He's a fan in the warmer month and a fan heater in the colder month. The Smart Alex is the perfect year-round product that keeps you refreshed in summer and warm in winter. He is delivered to your home ready to use. Unpack him, connect him to the power supply, set him up and you're ready to go. You can operate the modern Alex super easily.
Simply connect Alex with Wi-Fi and you can control him from anywhere with the app. Alex has a magnetic wireless remote control. With this you also can control all the functions.
Alex comes with impressive functions. With his swing function, he can distribute the air horizontally and vertically in the room.
With a wind distance of up to 8 meters, you can place Alex also in larger rooms. And with his 4 speed settings, Alex offers everything from a gentle breeze to a powerful airflow.
Alex is also an impressive fan heater. In heating mode, you can choose between 2 heating levels and the digital thermostat ensures precise temperature regulation, so you can set the temperature you want at any time. Alex works very quietly on the low settings and is ideal for the bedroom, especially because of his 1 to 7 hour timer. With all Stadlerform products, you benefit from comprehensive support and service with the security of a 24-month warranty. Our support team is always on hand to make sure you get the best out of your device. And should your flatmate give you any cause for concern, our team will take care of it quickly and competently.